Hey guys, I want to quickly explain what you need to do and kind of give you a somewhat of an example of these directions here. So it says, "Hello kids, read and follow the directions below. Today your job is to decide which character from our story shows the most kindness. Is it the ant or the dove?" So that's job number 1. Job number 2, you need to make sure you justify or prove your opinion with evidence from the story. So if you think that it's the ant that's the kindest, you need to get something from the story that would support that idea. Same thing with the dove. If you think the dove is the kindest, what is it in the story that shows that or that proves that that is true? Now, here's the part that I wanted to explain a little bit more. It says to create a thought bubble picture to show your opinion. Okay, so a thought bubble is basically this thing right here. Okay, it's where you have, and here's my little stick person, okay? Of course, you're not going to have a stick person. You're going to have either an ant or a dove because that's who's going to be doing the talking in your picture. But here's the thought bubble, okay? The thought bubble is basically the little bubble that shows what the character is saying or what they are thinking. So in this thought bubble that you draw on your paper, this is where you would write why the character you chose is kinder than the other character. You explain it in this bubble, like this character is saying it. And again, I have a stick person drawn here just as an example. You will not have a stick figure drawn. You are going to be choosing either the ant to explain why he is kinder or the dove to explain why he is kinder, okay? As another option, you could include the other character, and you could also give a response from the other character as to why this one isn't the kindest. And that's just an option. It is not something that you have to do, okay? But so thought bubbles, you have your character with the thoughts that they are saying or thinking. Now, a couple of other things I want you to be aware of. You can see here that I've started the coloring on my paper. I want all of you on your paper to include what's called a border. This purple right here that goes all the way around my paper, that's a border. Yours does not have to be purple. Yours does not have to look like mine. But adding a border is something that will make your work look finished and neat. Okay, the other thing, and I did not finish this on mine, I want you to have your background shaded. You can see that I started lightly shading the background on my project in green, okay? You can pick whatever color that you want to. And my last rule when we do coloring is that the only thing you can leave white is something that actually is white. So if I was going to finish my person here and I showed the person smiling, I could leave their teeth white because that's the color that teeth are, okay? But everything else you would want to color it. Okay, so I hope that this helps you understand what your finished product is supposed to look like. Just make sure the key thing here is to make sure that you are justifying or proving what you think, whether the ant is the kindest or the dove is the kindest, with evidence from the story. Okay, good luck.